The term construction industry refers to businesses which operate as contractors and subcontractors and who do all kinds of different work on buildings, roads and other man-made structures and sites. This very broad term covers a really wide variety of work, which includes things like decoration, alteration, repair and demolition. But it also covers really specific kinds of works too, like heating, ventilation and power and water supply. Even things like tree felling, earth moving, tunnelling and excavation fall into this category. You should check to see exactly what is and isn't covered, as there are far too many for me to list them all. If you find your work does fall under the term, then all the associated contractors and subcontractors must comply with special tax rules and regulations, which is known as the Construction Industry Scheme, or CIS for short. And although this scheme has all sorts of special rules that apply to it, it works alongside the same self-assessment and VAT tax systems that we're all liable for. To find out more about this, Marvarine Cole has been visiting a business in Northern Ireland.
The Construction Industry Scheme covers all different types of works and businesses. Earlier I spoke to building contractor Graham McCabe to outline some of the things you need to do to make sure you get it right.
If I could give anybody a bit of advice on starting their own business, is to seek others' help and listen to what people say, and experience is the best thing, and if you listen to ours you'll learn. Before making a payment to any individual, you must check their employment status to find out whether they're self-employed or an employee. You can do this by logging on to Revenue and Customs Employment Status Indicator.
Once you've done this, you must check the payment status of the subcontractor by logging on to the Revenue and Customs website. Normally, you only need to do this for new subcontractors, and you can also check the payment status online with your own software package or by calling the helpline.
The process is called verification, and that's just clarifying where they get the tax deducted or gross. As soon as you start making payments on the Construction Industry Scheme, and you've clarified that it's deduction or gross, you have to start filing a monthly return.
These returns cover the payments you've made in the month, ending on the 5th of the month. And these must reach Revenue and Customs by the 19th of the same month. You can register to send these online or do it on paper. And once you start sending in returns, you must report every month, even if you've made no payments in a particular month. If you're a subcontractor, you need to submit a self-assessment return at the end of the tax year. If you've already had CIS deductions taken from your payments during the tax year, these will be credited against your end-of-year income tax bill and national insurance contributions. This is Marvarine Cole reporting from Northern Ireland.